If you want one plant to grow bigger, will you go to it until that plant grow bigger and grow bigger? Will it grow in that way? You need to give proper amount of water to it. You need to give right kind of soil to it. You need to place it in a place where it is getting right amount of sunlight, and obviously it is going to get bigger after that point. Not just bigger, it is also going to give beautiful flowers. It might also give delicious fruits. In the same way, if you want to control your mind, or else if you want to be happy in your life, you don't need to keep the happiness as your main goal, or you don't have to focus to become a happier person. You just have to do or practice few techniques or practices which need to be practiced to keep your mind on point, on check. So there are so many techniques in yoga and pranayama which are going to keep your mind on check, on point, without getting distracted, without getting stressed, or without overthinking. If we see in today's generation, people are going through a lot of mental issues: depression, stress, anxiety, lack of sleep. If we keep on telling, there is going to be a big list of mental health issues today. So today I'm going to teach you one of the most powerful technique which is going to help you not just to silent your mind, but also to control your restless mind, and also to make you feel happier immediately. So the name of this powerful technique is Prakshardana Vidarana Pranayama. So for doing this, sit straight in any comfortable posture by keeping your spine straight and erect. Take the Baddha Hasta Mudra, which means you need to interlock all of your fingers and touching the tips of your both the thumbs, and place it down onto your lap. Keep your eyes closed and just observe your breath. No forceful inhalation or exhalation, just observation. That's it for 10 to 15 seconds. After observing your breath, now you need to inhale deeply through your nose, exhale deeply out through your nose, and hold your breath like this. First, inhale, exhale, and hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Initially, you might not be able to hold your breath just for 7 or 8 seconds, but it's completely fine. According to your capacity, you start with it. Eventually, you can increase it. So it comes under one round. We need to do it for 7 times like this. Here, you might be observing one kind of pressure in your throat, but you don't have to worry about it. It is cleansing your Vishuddhi chakra, which is in your throat region. So do it for 7 times. After that, there is one more variation in this pranayama itself, where you are going to inhale through your nose deeply, exhale out through your mouth, and hold your breath. Like this, you have to do this practice for 7 times. By doing this practice, immediately you are going to feel certain kind of calmness in your mind. You have to do this when your bowels are free, when your stomach is empty. Whenever you wake up in the morning, clean your bowels, sit in any comfortable and peaceful position, and start doing this practice. If you felt that this video was helpful for you, make sure you like it, you share it with your friends and loved ones. And if you want to practice these kind of intense and advanced pranayama, breathing, and yoga techniques with me, you can join the online live classes in which you can directly ask and clear your doubts with me. So let's meet again in the next video. Thank you.